Just another night in California. Like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So right now I'm in the Lacovia area. I'm gonna take a tour of Holland Bamboo. Yeah, because you know, just the other day, you know, say I think a storm passes by and can damage the bamboo, cause the road to block. And you know, Holland Bamboo is a very beautiful place. So I'm gonna give you a tour of Holland Bamboo after the storm passes just the other day. So take a tour of the bamboo. So it's still a good look. Just the father works, you know. See a lot of bamboo tree falling down and stuff, so bamboo still stand up same way. Still a good look. Yes, my people, one love and one heart. Like, share and subscribe to my channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So I'm going to the middle quarters direction. So I'm coming from Lacovia side. And you know, a lot of tourists like to come into the bamboo and take a lot of pictures. So it's still up and running same way. Still looking good. people, so I want to big up all the persons who, after the storm, the effect of the storm and the bamboo, who take them time out to clean it up and make it look like this, still looking good. So big up on yourself. Yeah man, one love and one heart. A little bit of bumpy ride right now, so enjoy it, and always remember when you're coming through the Holland bamboo area, you have to look out for stray animals. Look out for your cow and your goats. You have to be careful, and also it's a school zone, so drive 30 kilometers per hour. We have to be careful with kids them, make sure so them safe. So always remember to obey the road code. Yeah man, you know saying a Holland bamboo you can get your freshly picked coconuts and also your best curry goat and roti. I see where them say they have welcome to Holland Village. Watching my channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So I want to big up all my subscribers and followers from all over the globe, UK, USA, Bahamas, Haiti. Big up everyone man, one love and one heart. That's the Jamaican Vibes, you know. Just to give you an update on the Holland bamboo section. Destination will be at the Total gas station. So I want to thank you all watching my channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.